And ABC 7 business commentator Richard Stern is joining us now. And Richard, just some modest losses to start the week.
Haley, you're absolutely right, and that was the case. I was here at noon with Scott, and all three indices we follow were down by 0.2%. 4 o'clock comes, we're down by 0.3%. So really not a big deal. The top to bottom range for the day for the Dow was exactly 99 points, 24 points on the upside, 75 points on the downside. Of course, we're always concerned about the Fed, but 22 days from now, there's something called a presidential election. I think that's got everyone's attention. Let's take a look at the attention today. There you see the Dow down 52 points, 0.3%, closing at 18,086.40. That on a volume of 644 million shares. The NASDAQ for the day also down almost 0.3%, just over 14 points, closing at 5,199.82. That on volume of 1,607 million shares. And the S&P exactly where you'd expect it to be, down 0.3%, 6.5 points at 2,126.50. Shares of Hasbro moved sharply higher today despite the down day. Shares were up by 7.4%. Yes, on a down day. And the reason has everything to do with what you're looking at right there. And that is toys geared to young ladies, dolls from all the Disney characters, but particularly those from Frozen and The Princess. Those are the ones that are the big sellers right now. And there's a movie coming out in November about trolls, and even trolls are selling well, and that's before they come out. I also mentioned at noon today, and I think important to understand that sales of girls' toys are up by 57%, and sales of boys' toys are up by 2%. So I'll let you arrive with whatever conclusions you want, but it appears that dolls are selling well, and Hasbro got that license a year ago from Mattel, and it looks like they're very glad that they did.
Paying off, definitely.
Absolutely.
You also have some late news on Netflix tonight, Richard.
Yes, Scott, after the close today, they announced earnings, and not only were the earnings better than expected, but the subscription rate went up sharply. The stock, I expect, will be a big, big mover tomorrow.
All right, we'll watch for it. Thank you so much, Richard.
You're welcome.